Hey guys, so by the title of this video, I think you know. We're gonna unbox the new Celavive Brightening Luminous Moisture Cream and the new Brightening Light Complexion Serum. I love Celavive products. I use them all the time, and in New Zealand, they just launched these two products, and I think they're gonna launch more from the brightening series later on. I know that in other territories like Korea, Singapore, or Malaysia, they probably already have more, but you know, we're in little New Zealand. We're gonna get cracking, okay? Oh, this already looks so good. Go beyond what you see. Even though there's no preservatives or parabens, they last. Look at that. There's a little scoop too. Oh, like if you can't see. Ooh. Can't wait to try this. You have no idea. Last but not least, we have the Brightening Light Complexion Serum. That is so pretty. Look. Oh. Ooh. This is definitely a different serum because you see, I use the intensive serum as well from Celavive. I'll show you the intensive serum. Because you see, I use the vitalizing serum as well. I'll show you. So this is the vitalizing serum as well from Celavive, but this is definitely a very different serum to this. Yeah, definitely. Anyways, guys, this has been a great unboxing. I can't wait to try both of these products. And until next time, bye guys. Thank you so much for watching. So you can check out some more videos right now, right there. Do you see them? Also, if you haven't subscribed already, make sure you click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss a single video. Bye!